I'd like to show you how to add a video file to a Google Slides presentation. Here I have a blank slide where I would like to insert a short video clip. Under the Insert menu, click on Video. There are three different ways to add videos. One is to search YouTube, and any one of these videos could be selected and added to the slide that way. However, in this case, I have a video that I've already selected and the video is already on another browser tab. In order to specifically add this video to my slideshow, I'm going to click on the Share button. And if I scroll down, there is the unique URL. That's like the web address of this video. I'm going to go ahead and copy this, Control-C. This is it on my clipboard. I go back to the slideshow and paste the URL here. In order to paste, I click Control-V. And there's a preview of the video that I want. And if I click Select, the video will be added to the slideshow. It's also possible to add a video from your Google Drive. And that's a new feature that Google added early in 2017. So it's no longer strictly required that you have to add a video from YouTube. That can be very useful if you want to add something from a video camera or possibly from another source where you've downloaded. So again, the way you find that is to click on Google Drive, the third option, and it will automatically give you a small preview of all the videos that are on your Google Drive. Now, if I click on the preview and right-click on it, I can choose this option, Video Options. This is also something that was added early in 2017. It's a newer feature. There's a small preview window where I can watch the video, and I can adjust the start and end times. This is very useful for teachers. You may want to share a long video clip, but maybe you don't want the students to watch the entire video. In this case, I only want my students to see a short segment that has a important vocabulary definition. And that segment begins at 7 seconds and ends at about 25 seconds. When I type in those times, notice I can push the play button and I will get a preview of what just that segment looks like, starting at 7 seconds and ending at 25 seconds. I can make adjustments to these timings if necessary.
A computer program is a set of instructions.
And I think that's the right timings. If I'm watching the video and I'm just previewing it, I can pause the video and click on the blue link, and that will just automatically insert the time marker. There's a couple of other options. If I click the autoplay option, then everybody who watches the slideshow, when they get to this slide, the video will automatically begin playing. I'm going to leave that unchecked because I want the viewer to push play before they begin watching the video. There's also an option to mute the audio track. That's very useful for students, especially if you're showing this video in class. You might want to leave the audio muted and do some direct instruction or narrate the video yourself while your students are watching it. Again, that's an option. When the options are set up just the way you want them, close that preview, and now you're done. I can click on Present just to make sure that the slideshow is set up the way I want. There's my slide, there's the video. Again, I did not choose autoplay, so the viewer would have to click on this play button to begin play. And let's make sure it starts at 7 seconds and only plays up until 24 seconds and then stops.
A computer program is a set of instructions that a computer follows to complete a task. Coding, or programming, means writing the step-by-step instructions that tell the computer what to do.
And there you see the video did stop at 24 seconds, just as planned. I'm going to click the Escape key to go back to the edit mode. And again, if I wanted to adjust those timings at all, I could right-click again and go back to Video Options, and I can change these options anytime I'd like.